Do you find it annoying that your phone's screen turns off while it's charging? Maybe you want to keep the screen on to track notifications, or simply don't want to have to touch the screen every time you want to see it. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable the option that keeps your screen on while your phone is charging. It's quick and easy, with no need for constant interaction with the screen. Let's get started right away. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down and find the option called About Phone, usually located at the bottom of the screen. When you find it, tap on it to open it. Then, in this menu, look for the Software Information option and tap on it. On the next page, find Build Number and tap on it 7 times. Once you finish, you'll see a notification confirming that developer options are enabled. Now, go back to the main settings menu, and at the bottom of the screen, under About Phone, you'll see Developer Options. Tap on it to open this section. In this section, you'll see various advanced options. Find the Stay Awake option, and tap the switch next to it to enable it. Once you do this, your phone's screen will stay on while it's charging. This is a useful option if you want the screen to stay active while your phone is charging, which is especially helpful if you're keeping track of notifications or using your phone while it's charging. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.